Hello and welcome back to our session on decision science. We will continue to solve some more problems on Markov chains. Today's example is based on steady state problem. We have been given a problem which says that market survey is made on two brands of breakfast foods A and B. Every time a customer purchases, he may buy the same brand or switch to another brand. The transition matrix is given below. From A to A, the probability is 0.8. From A to B, it is 0.2. From B to A, it is 0.6. And from B to B, it is 0.4. At present, 60% of people buy brand A and 40% buy brand B. Determine market shares of brand A and B in the steady state. Now, before we move on and solve the problem, let us understand what you mean by a steady state. If we consider this problem, when the market share of brand A and B will remain unchanged for a long period of time or over a period of time, we can say that it is entered a steady state. That means the transition matrix will remain constant and will not change in my next transition. Okay, so let us now go ahead and solve this problem. We will write the value of R0, which happens to be 0.6 and 0.4. The transition matrix will write P, which is equal to 0.8, 0.2, 0.6 and 0.4. The formula for finding the next transition matrix R1 is given to you by R0 multiplied by P. Now for this example, because we have to find the steady state, we are going to make use of Rs equal to Rs minus 1 into P. And from the definition of a steady state, we can immediately say that the value of Rs will be same as the value of Rs minus 1, or even if I put a plus sign, S plus 1, it is the same. Okay, now we cannot put a plus sign here, so this remains Rs minus 1. Okay, so I'll continue with S minus 1. So whether it is S minus 1 or S plus 1, if the values are same, we have entered a steady state. Now for Rs, let us use the two values A and B, okay, which will be equal to A, B multiplied by P. Okay, now using this equation, we will try to find the values of A and B in the steady state. Let us do the calculation. So I'll write it here. Your A, B is equal to A, B multiplied by P. The value of P is 0.8, 0.2, 0.6 and 0.4. Solving this, we'll get A, B equal to, multiply AB with the first column to get the first element. I'll get 0.8A plus 0.6B. Okay. the next element, multiply AB with the second column, 0.2A plus 0.4B. Solving this further, I can write, you can see A is nothing but this value here and B is this second element here. So I can write therefore A equal to 0.8A plus 0.6B. Solve this further. If I get 0.8A on the other hand side, we'll have 1A minus 0.8A, that gives me 0.2A. Move this on the other hand side, I get minus 0.6B equal to 0. Divide both the side by 0.2, I will get A minus 3B equal to 0. Therefore, we can write A equal to 3B. Okay. Using the other element, we can write B equal to 0.2A plus 0.4B. Solve this further. I can move this whole thing on the other hand side. I get minus 0.2A, 1B minus 0.4B will give me plus 0.6B equal to 0. Again divide throughout by 0.2. I will get minus A plus 3B equal to 0, which can be written as A minus 3B equal to 0, which is same as the first equation. Clear? Now, in case of a steady state, the total of the steady state probability is always equal to 1. Okay? The state probability is equal to 1. Therefore, we can write A plus B is equal to 1. Now, using this first equation, okay, in my second equation here, I will get 3B plus B equal to 1. Therefore, 4B equal to 1, and finally B equal to 1 upon 4, which is nothing but 0.25. If B is equal to 0.25, we can replace this value in this equation 2, and therefore we have A plus 0.25 equal to 1, A equal to 1 minus 0.25, therefore A equal to 0.75. Clear? This gives me the value of A and B. So I can write the steady state market shares of brand A and B will be 0.75, that is 75%, and 25% respectively. This gives you the final solution for a steady state problem. Okay, please go through each step and check how we solved this steady state problem and practice it. Thank you.